Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real trades, my real positions, and we're joined every day by traders and investors from around the world who share with you their trades, their investments. Let's have a look at my portfolio and see where we are right now. There you go. We're up at the moment, 0.66 at $40,352. All this started at $5,000, and we are trading here all morning. Take a short break, and then we're back for the closing bell plus breaking news throughout the day. Welcome everyone. If you join us here, you could be on TikTok, you could be on YouTube, you Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Twitch, multiple websites. We're all over the world, but the home of our show is here on YouTube. Links in the profile if you're over there on TikTok. Good morning to all of you. We're giving away cash prizes every Friday, which is in a couple of days' time. So you want to be part of that. Let's get straight into our trade, see where we are this morning. Okay, so we're up slightly this morning, starting off the morning. And our S&P 500 is up 0.09. Virgin Galactic is up now above $6 again, and I've got an average now of $6.10, which is great. My average has dropped considerably, down at 6.10 now, so I'm just down 1.35. Great place to be with all those shares, 1,400 in fact. All right, so if we get back to the $10, which we could easily do in a heartbeat, literally just about my portfolio would touch $15,000. Just on Virgin Galactic, so that would be fantastic, right? Okay, Virgin Orbit is back up to $4 again. Tesla nearly touched $900 this morning. I thought it was going to break up and continue going. Just a slight stall. Let's see what happens this morning. Welcome everybody. We should be in for a good morning today, predicting a green day. Let's see how we go. Let's have a quick cup of coffee first of all. Let me just make a slight adjustment to a light in effect here. Over there on TikTok, we've got a little camera which is flaring. Let me just make a slight adjustment to that one. Is it that one? Yes, it is that one. Okay, let me just dim that down a bit. I'll dim that down. There you go. That's better. I think that's better now, isn't it? Yeah, that's better. That's got it. Had a slight technical glitch there on TikTok, but we fixed it. Got to make it right for our viewers. All right, brilliant. Let's come back to our main show. Tesla is 895, just falling back slightly. Rivian today is down 0.65, down 0.65. Lucid is up 1.25 today, looking good. Polestar is improved a little bit. I could have bought the dips, but I'm not. Arrival is flat. Amazon is up 0.07. Apple is up 0.29, just falling back slightly. I've got some more dividends paying out soon. Got Walmart, Target. I've got Rio Tinto and Johnson Johnson. Nearly $200 of nearly $200 worth of dividends to be paid out this month, or well, just going into next month. So looking forward to that. That'll boost my portfolio on it, and that'll be reinvested as well. Whatever the price is, it will be automatically reinvested. To Paul, thank you very much for sharing. Market's going to dump like I told you. No, it's not. I know all this doom and gloom sells on YouTube and TikTok, but it's not the reality at all. Everybody just loves to get headlines, loves to get views, loves to get attention. We do the very opposite here on the Day Trader. We tell you the truth. I don't believe for a minute all the markets are going to dump. We are in a bear market. We are not in a bull market. We had a rally for a few weeks. We had 2 down days, and the whole world says, that's it, we're all going to zero, the end of the world's coming. It's absolute rubbish, absolute nonsense. Unless you've bought Bed Bath & Beyond and AMC and a lot of junky stocks like that, then probably yes, but or a lot of junk crypto coins. But if you've bought decent companies like I have, that's not going to happen. All right, let's have a quick look at some of the comments here. Mike says he's over on Twitch. Thank you, Mike. If you've just tuned in, by the way, please click subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. That would be really, really appreciated. Thank you very much indeed. Good morning, guys, and good afternoon. My family in Europe and the rest of the world. I love that. Absolutely awesome. Love it. Good morning, Zach. How are you today? Lovely. Still got your event to schedule. Trying to get to do it today. NVIDIA earnings is important today. NVIDIA earnings. I'm not covering it, but there we go. Thanks for letting us know, though. What time? Is that after hours today? Thank you, the day trader. You're very welcome. Martin, we are going to make it, mate. Yes, we're going to make it. We are going to get through this bad time. And we are now getting rumors. Possible end to the war in Ukraine. Russia's running out of steam, running out of position and army and soldiers and all the rest of it. They are now struggling to recruit. And Putin might have to declare some kind of victory to end the whole thing. And when that happens, watch the stocks go up 20% in a day. Just watch that happen. Right, Google is up and back down again. Meta is up to Microsoft, I beg your pardon, is on a wash right now. White House sees weaker growth, soft landing for the economy. That is good. Meta Platforms Plus up 1.17. SoFi is up 8% now. I've got a much lower average. I've got a lot more shares. I've got 256. I've doubled up and I'm up 5.86. Very, very nice indeed. SoFi looking good. IonQ looking great, up 0.93. PayPal up 0.75, heading towards $100. I'm up $25. Very nice. Rolls-Royce back now down to 98. Down to 98 now. So should I get back in again then? What do we think? Let's have a little look. That's taken another dive today. 98. I wonder. And then we'll sell at 101. Thinking about it. Buy Rolls-Royce. 800. 16. What does 1600 cost me? $1,698. Review the order, 98 cents. 98. That's cheap. 8.96. Review. Have I placed an order yet? Let me refresh that screen. I don't know if that went through. Let me just double check if that went through or not. Buy 1,600 of Rolls-Royce. Review the order. Place order. What's going on there? End up buying too much. What's going on there? Getting an error here. Trying to buy, and I don't know what's going on. Don't know if I've bought two or not. Rolls-Royce sell. History. Cancelled. That's a bit weird. Right, Rolls-Royce. Buy. Limit order. Good for the day. Allow to we've got a slight error here. What's going on here? Buy, limit order. Let's try that again. 98 cents. 0.98. 60 limit price. Review the order. I have no idea why that didn't go through. You are placing good limit, right? Okay. Buy. Order placed. Okay. We'll come back to that then. Trying to buy Rolls-Royce. At 98. We'll see what happens. Anyway, we'll come back to that. Walmart is flat right now. Let's bring in everybody. Dexter Sickles. Good morning, Dexter Sickles. How are you this morning? Ali who? Ali Isles is here. We've not had Ali Isles for a while. No luck with PayPal. What about PayPal, Bill? What do you mean no luck with PayPal? What does that mean? Labour stats drop next Wednesday. US Holt's values fell for the first time since 2012. Zillow says Putin is really sick and has been going downhill health-wise. Yes, I know. I think we are approaching the end of the war. There is lots of rumour around now, lots of information saying that he's going to have to declare victory of certain areas that he's managed to capture, but he's going to lose it right back again. I think the beginning of the end now, I would say. And as soon as that happens, up go the stocks. Caden, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Welcome, Ali. Lovely to see you all here. Excellent, great. How's everybody over there on TikTok? I just picked up 1,000 shares of Rolls Royce. Yes, I'm just trying to buy Rolls Royce now. I don't know why it's not going through. Our market's not open yet, so we're in pre-market. I should be able to. If I set for 99, it will go through, I'm sure, but it's a bit frustrating. But I like to get it, and then on the open, sell it for 99 or 100, $1. Make a very, very quick profit. Good morning to you all. Walmart is a wash. Target is up 0.25. I got my dividends paying out soon. You can see here, $6.69 is what I'm getting free money of the fact I own 6 shares of Target. Solar power is booming in Germany as Russia turns down the gas. Yes, I'm so pleased to hear that. And of course, that is why I'm all about end-phase energy, which everybody said would come to an end, being up 32,000%. This is just the beginning of solar. This is not the end at all. So I'm up 60%. I'm holding, and I'm very, very happy to do that. And what happened last week? We had a little bull market. We had a bear market rally. Everybody forgets sometimes we are not in a bull market. We're in a bear market. Things are trending down. So we had about a month of everything going up. Then we had 2 days of things going down. And then YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, TikTok is absolutely littered with the end of the world. Everything's going to zero. The world's going to crash. The world is not going to crash. And I'll tell you something else. If China's, I was studying this last night after hours, if Chinese market crashes, it will not destroy the stocks I'm in. It will not. There will still be Tesla will still be employing Chinese workers in their factories. They will still be doing the job. They'll still be selling the cars. It will be internal. It will not affect. There will be a ripple effect, but it will not affect. It will not bring down Amazon and Microsoft and Tesla and Virgin Galactic and Apple and all these things. It will not. They're insular to it. I was studying it last night, and there's no evidence other than scaremongering and drama and headline news, which everybody loves to sell. There's no actual evidence at all to say if the Chinese market collapses, then America is down the toilet. Absolute flipping nonsense, but it does sell videos, it does sell newspapers. So there you go. You make your own judgment on that. Church should be good news for Rio then. Yes, indeed. Rio Tinto are now investing more in solar and wind. We know about that as well. Morning, Alial. Did you see what I just put in the chat? Paul B just put some information in the chat. I will go and check that in a second. Good morning, Jerry Mooney. We got a guest here this morning, Jerry Mooney. How are you this morning? Lovely to have you here. Now, I hope there's someone today that comes into the show, very special, someone new to our channel, joined last night and went straight in at a silver member. And I'd like to, hopefully he'll be in today, he or she. I think they've been watching the show in the background and came straight in as a silver member, which is absolutely amazing, right? How do you set up your watch list? Do you have a few or scan daily. I've got my set portfolio. I've got about 50 shares that I'm trading, and I'm always researching. I'm in the studio 10 hours a day. So legit savage. Come over to YouTube and I'll share with you my actual positions. You can't see it as well here on TikTok. TikTok is just for you seeing my YouTube broadcast. No options. No, don't believe in options. Don't believe in options trading. I like to own a piece of the pie. Family says the poorest man in China still has $10,000 in the bank. There you go. That's a good way of putting it, Bill. That's more than the poorest man in England, I'll tell you that. The poorest man in England does not have $10,000 in the bank. So it is likely that the Chinese, I tell you what, a lot of big YouTubers are going to look ridiculous, but you know what? It's not going to affect them at all. People will still watch. I've lost count with how many YouTubers are saying that Chinese market was 5 days away from crashing. Well, that was 4 days ago, just by the way. No one holds anyone to account on YouTube. You can say what you like and no one holds you to account. Now, I will always admit when I'm wrong. I said Tesla would hit 1,000. I still believe it will. I said it would hit last week and I was wrong. But I still believe it will before the stock split, which is it next week? I still believe it will. I've got no doubt about it, but I was wrong. My timing wasn't right. I can't time the market perfectly. Nobody can, not even Warren Buffett. But I tell you what is ridiculous. I've lost count with the number of people that are saying in 5 days, which was 4 days ago, the Chinese economy is going to crash completely and everything's going to go bankrupt. Well, what happens tomorrow when everybody said that and it doesn't actually happen? What happens then? Do you say sorry? Do you say I got it wrong? No, I doubt it. They'll just make another prediction because everybody will watch that one as well. Bloody ridiculous. Anyway, it's not hitting 1,000 before the split. I think it will. Kiko, I think it will. The evidence is there. It's the most shorted stock in stock history. More people are trying to bring it down, but it still holds up. If the shorters went away and said, okay, we give up, we think Tesla's a good company, the stock would be $2,000. But it's constantly being shorted, constantly being brought down. So it's a bit ridiculous, really. But there you go. The stock market does not reflect the company's value. It reflects the company's price at that precise moment in time. Mike, take profits, obviously. Take profits. In what right now? Down 17%, Mike, over 7 days, but that's the whole market. Wouldn't worry too much. Miners will cross to etc. Miners will cross to etc. after the merge. Paul B. Crypto is in a bit of a state at the moment. We all know it is. We all know it's going to go down, but we all know crypto has a place. We've learned a lot over the last few weeks from Paul B. We know how much more crypto is getting involved in the mainstream financial world. We know that institutions are starting to get in. We know that banks are starting to get in. I read listened to a very interesting video last night sent in by Ali Tisro. That was the possible Prime Minister of England. There's two. I forget the two names now. I do apologise. Been living in America too long. Sunny Radic. What's his name? Can't remember his name now off the top of my head. Anyway, he was saying that he's the former Chancellor. He was saying that the UK are going to adopt and put in place some laws to get involved more and lead the way in the crypto space. So I like to hear that. But a lot of that again is headlines trying to become the Prime Minister of England. So there's a little bit of that. Not all those promises get delivered. We know that. But anyway, scroll up and read the MasterCard comment. Okay, let's have a little look. Scroll up and read the MasterCard comment. Paul B. Here we go. Paul, about MasterCard. Very interesting. Let's have a little look. Paul B. MasterCard. I'm scrolling forever here. Here we go. MasterCard CEO says that they are working with Binance to let people spend crypto at more than 90 million stores. Well, that's very interesting, of course, because MasterCard and Visa lead the world when it comes to credit cards. So credit cards are now getting involved. You can see where we all know where it's going. We've learned that there's no dispute. What's his name, Martin? What is his name? Sunny Radic. It's not Sunny Radic, is it? Radic is from bloody some war film, I remember. Javid Sunak. Javid Sunak. It's a really good English name. Sunny Jadik. If I saw it right in front of me, I'd go straight. I'd remember it. Sunny Jadik. Jadik Sunny. Oh my God. I'm making a complete arse of it. I don't know. Nudge it, budget, move its back. Oh, I love it. Rishi Sunak. There we go. Finally, Rishi Sunak. Thank you, Peter Wilson. There we go. Rishi Sunak. Still, you know, I don't know. Anyway, Rishi Sunak. Okay. Didn't quite just run off the tongue like Peter Wilson, for example. I'm a bit old school, I'm afraid. Rishi Sunak. There you go. Right. Liz Truss is the other one. Right. There you go. And they're... What an absolute debacle. It's a debacle. That's the word we're using this morning. It's a debacle. Anyway, thank you very much for putting me straight there. All right. Anyway, what the hell was all that about? A bit of a drama, wasn't it? Let me bring something up a second. Let me give it. I programmed a vision inspection system looking at credit cards. Checks the code with the letter. That's interesting. Tell me more about it. Tell me more about that. Let me just bring something up a sec. There we go. And now I can bring up my account here. There we go. There we go. Bring it up. There we go. Right, we're in. That's better. Okay, so Bitcoin is up today 0.76 and Ethereum is up 2% as well, and BSV is up 0.73. So all looking quite nice today, but of course we're having a green day, so you know, it's following the market again. We keep seeing that happen over and over again. Some days it's correlated, some days it's not. We had that discussion yesterday. For as long as I can remember watching crypto, it seemed to be following the S&P. Then recently I saw it detach, and Paul B was saying no, it's following it again. So we'll keep a close eye on that. Anyway, the S&P is up 0.07. Let's read these comments here. I listen to a lot of British drill and rap. I follow UK politics a lot like pop culture. Do you? Do you indeed? Like pop culture. Phil's birthday. Phil's birthday, man. What does that mean? You said this the other day, Arnold. Phil's birthday, man. What does that mean? I need a translator for my Twitchers. Sometimes I don't know what they're saying to me. Martin, you know what drill means? No idea. I listen to a lot of British drill and no idea. Does anyone know what drill and rap is? Probably I'm the wrong person to ask, right? House, garage. I'm the wrong person to ask. This is not the house and garage and drill and rap show, is it? I'm the wrong person to ask. Nudge It Budget says loads of security at that place. It's a body scan, lock on every door, chaperones everywhere. Where's that? Where's all that going on? Anyway, Martin, you know what drill means? No. Arnold, you are constantly drunk. Yeah, he always says stuff that nobody understands. Drill music, not drill. Drill music, not drill. No, I get that. I understand it was drill music. I got that because drill and rap. Yes, I realised drill was not a Bosch drill. Mind you, I know more about a Bosch drill. If I'm honest, I own a Bosch drill. I use a Bosch drill. I know all about Bosch drills. If I'm totally honest, when it comes to drill and rap, I haven't got a clue. And I'm not going to tell you I do. Right, we're going to go on strike for 1 minute because we've got 30 people watching and 13 likes. That means half of you have not liked the video. So here we go. 1 minute on the clock. 1 minute on the clock. And I want at least 20 likes. Come on, people. Giving you a free show here. All you got to do is like it. It really helps me. And I guarantee if you like the video, you always make more money. Everybody who likes the video tends to make more money. People message me afterwards and they say, you know what, it's right. I like the video and my stocks and shares went up. They say it every day. Every day they tell me that. So it's up to you. You don't have to like it if you don't want to, but I strongly recommend you do. All right, 20 likes. There we go. We're on the way up now. Oh, Chiggy. I knew him personally. Ooh, Rishi Sunak. Drill and bass. Drill and hammer. Who comes up with these stupid names? All right, smash the like button. There we go. Let's end the timer. That'll do. Thank you very much indeed. All right, could I ask people to please speak English? I agree, Willow. We're having an English day today. No more drill and bash and bosh and bish and boosh music, rapping and jungle and garage and... I mean, what happened to a good old-fashioned waltz? Now I've shown my age, right? Okay, drill and rap, and now we're talking waltzes and foxtrots. Oh, now you go. Now we're going back, Martin. Now you're really showing your age. You're showing your parents' age now. Who did you know personally? Listen to some Pop Smoke from New York. You'd love it. Pop Smoke? Drill music, not drill. What? Drill, Pop Smoke? What the hell? Where do these names come from? Ish Biololish. And Ish Bilododolish. Now you've lost me. I think Mike is smoking some of that, that Tilray brands. Good morning, William Wallace. Hello. Malaysia Kanaga Investment Bank Bahar to launch a crypto-friendly app to its 500,000 clients in 2023. Rio for the winners. Should we have a look at Rio? I haven't got Rio open. Rio, and we're dancing in the sand. Let's bring it up. Rio Tinto, down 3.52 today. $109 in Ishbi Ali Dosh-ish. Ishbi Ali Dosh-ish? What the hell is that? I'll donate if you sing a Pop Smoke. Well, I would love to, you know what I mean? I would absolutely love. Look, we're providing entertainment here for the Church of Logic. He came on here this morning to make some money on the stock market, and he's rolling around laughing, thinking, I ain't got a clue what's going on with Ish, Bish, Bosh, Wallish. Everyone's confused. Maybe it's better if we stay confused. If we stay confused, we stay happy. I've always said the most ignorant people in life are the happiest. If you're literally stupid, got no brains whatsoever, you're very happy. You love life. I'll tell you the story. I'll tell you the story in a minute. Hang on. We got to go to a quick commercial break to bring everybody up to date. Right. You can skip the ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds. Here it comes. Here we go. All right. Well, I'll tell you something now, right? This is from Cornwall, back in England, right? I knew this bloke down the pub, and he was a farmer. Nothing against farmers, love farmers, right? Cornwall's full of farmers. One of my mates, and he walked in. This guy I'll be honest, he was a bit simple. You know, he didn't want nothing in life. He was happy. He had his wife, his family, and if he could get a pint of beer on a Sunday, he was happy. All right, that's all I'm saying. And he came in one day. And he got himself a mobile phone, the very first mobile phone. And this guy was absolutely thrilled to bits. This phone, he couldn't believe it. He couldn't believe that this phone could phone people across, without wires and across the world. And he could send someone a text. And he was absolutely blown away by it. He was the happiest man in the world. He bought the cheapest, rubbishest little phone you've ever seen in your life. This guy had nothing. He had no money to rub together. And he finally saved up and got himself a little mobile phone. And you know what? He was the happiest bloke in the world. He had absolutely nothing. And he was the happiest bloke in the world. And do you know what? If you can be happy, you've achieved it all. You run around trying to be clever and know too much. It's a known fact that all the great philosophers, Albert Einstein, none of them are happy. They were all depressed. So I say, just get into your drill and bot and bish and bosh music, Pop Smoke and everything else going on, and just wrap it out with some garage. Jump up and down like nobody's watching. Don't care what anyone thinks. You'll be happy as Larry. You'll be happy as Larry. You might have absolutely sod all, but you know what? You'll be happy. So you'll be the richest man. You'll be the richest man there is. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, even though the sound of it is something precocious. Chim chimney, chim chimney, chim chim chiroo. Good lucks will rub off when I shake hands with you. Or blow me a kiss, and that's lucky too. There you go. That's it, Bill. Right, TikTok viewers probably love pop. What are you saying? TikTok viewers probably love pop. Do they? Why do you say that? Why do you say that? Here's a clean version of pot smoke. You can know what to click. You know what to click. All right. Well, you can't send in links, I'm afraid, Arnold the Palmer. You can't do it. It won't let you do it, I'm afraid. You can send me it onto Twitch. I think it's over there, isn't it? Anyway, I can't play music in the show. It's the Mary Poppins quote. That's right. Someone on TikTok can't join Discord, apparently. Who can't join Discord, apparently? Why not? Anyone can join it, as long as you're a real person. If you're not a real person and you're some sort of scammy bot, that's probably why you can't join it. That's probably why you can't join it. We got people trying to join it and go, I can't get on. Are you a bot? If you're a real person and you've got a real email, yes, you can get on. If you're a scammy bot, no, you can't. Bloody scammy bots. There, I know. The world's full of them, Mike, isn't it? The world is full of them. I know, you listen then sing. Just Google him. All right, I'll Google him. Then he upgraded to an iPhone and went mad. That's right. Exactly. This guy, Willow, it was like a little flip phone. It was like a little, the old Nokias. You remember the old Nokias? The 3110? Was it 3110? And all you could do was phone, text, and play Snake. Do you remember that? He was happy as Larry. He didn't want to do anything else. He didn't want to go on Robinhood and do his stocks and shares. He didn't even have any. He wouldn't even know what stocks and shares are. Anyway, we need to do a poll so I can post it on TikTok. Aliars, what do you want the poll to be? What do you want the poll to be so I can post it on TikTok? Right. Should the poll be? Larry who? I'll tell you what we'll do. Okay, here we go. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows what pop smoke is? There you go. There you go. There's your poll. There's your poll. Who knows what pop smoke is? Yes or no? I'm not sure what it's got to do with stock trading, but there you go. There you go. But we'll ask the question anyway. Right, we got 12 minutes before the bell goes. Rolls Royce. Did I end up buying some Rolls Royce? Did it go through? Let's have a little look. Rolls Royce is 98. I've got a buy order here. Just won't go through. I like that poll. You do? Does anyone know what pop smoke is? Don't go and Google it. Everybody should. I know who he is. I like that poll, says Dexter Sickles. Right. Who knows what pop smoke is? I'm going to click on here. Right. Vote. Yes, I do. What's pot smoke? There you go. What sort of investment channel is this? What's going on? I tell you what, it's a happy one. It's a one where everyone's having a good time, everyone's making money, everyone's making friends. And if anyone wants to come on and say, you need to get serious, the end of the world's coming, everything's going to go to zero, everyone's going to be finished tomorrow. Like Meet Kevin and Graham Stephan and Cryptozaras and BitBoy and everybody else. Then you're in the wrong channel, because we don't do that here. I'm afraid you come to the wrong place. You need to move on, swiftly move on. Tilray Brands is going up 1.4% today. I'm down 3%. I've been buying the dips. Rio Tinto is going down. I'm up 3%. No, I'm holding it. Not an issue. Rio Tinto. Vanguard S&P is up 0.03. We got to just over 15 minutes ago. Virgin Galactic is now 603. I'm down just $100 now. I've got an average of 610. So that puts me in a very good position. Thank you very much. Don Hallen says, keep it up. Don Hallen says, good job. How do I join Discord? Okay, I'll tell you how to join Discord. You need to come into YouTube. See the link up the top here? This is the link of madness. This is called the profile. It's called the link of madness because it will send you down a trail of madness you'll never come back from, okay? So click this link here if you dare. This little link here is my profile on TikTok. It's the link of madness. Click it right here. Come out of the main show, come to my all links button and come into YouTube. Once you come into YouTube, say, oi, I'm from TikTok. Come in and you'll be in the live chat. You see your name on the screen here. This is YouTube. And I will give you the link to Discord. All right, very, very easy. Fluffy's just joined. We got all the followers. AC's just followed me. Kiefer's just followed me. 24,000 followers. Can't be wrong, right? They can't be wrong. So, Mr. Snobittle Man, what a name that is. Just click the link of doom here and come in there and come and join us on YouTube, and I will give you the link to Discord, and I will hold your hand and take you through it. Unless you're a bot, and if you're a bot, Mike is the bot slayer. He will slay you with his botness. All right. He has a botness. Yes, he does. I'm up 200 on Rio already. Dexter Sickles is up 200 on Rio already. Down 3.74. How could you be up 200 on Rio already? Am I missing something today? I am down on Rio 3. How could you be up 200? Yes, I will slay. See? Told you. He's got the botness. He has a botness, all right? Anyway, yes, he will slay. My boss just walked by and said, what is so funny that you're watching? Tell him, hey, get your boss on. Hey, Church of Logic, get your boss on. Tell him this is Martyn Lucas, world piano man, performed for royalty all over the world. And now he's gone mad on YouTube doing the day trader. And tell your boss, if he calls in, I will plug his business. And over a day, we go to tens of thousands of people across all my platforms. I'm going to give your boss right now an amazing plug. Tell him to go on Discord, call in, and he can tell us all about his business. He can say, oi, I'm Fred Blogs, and I own Fred Blogs Company, and everyone should visit my website. And I'll put his website on the channel. That's free publicity. Better than he can get on the telly. I reckon he should do it. Go and tell your boss to get involved. If he doesn't want to do it, he's a miserable boss. I'll walk over and tell him. Tell him right now. Look up in the stream, Dexter Sickles. I'm looking up in the stream. I sold Rio yesterday at 61 and then bought it back to 59. Did you? I see. Now I see. Okay. That's how you made. Oh, I see. I got you. That's a bit cheeky, isn't it? You didn't tell us you were selling it. Didn't know about that. There you go. How did you know it was going to drop? Did you have a crystal ball? Have you been watching somebody else's YouTube channel which told you everything was going to go to zero? What's going on? What do you know that I don't know? Nice drop. Yeah, well done. Well done indeed. I don't do that. I tend to buy high and sell low. That's the way I do it. I think it's better. I think it's more entertaining. Thanks for the follow, Louise. Thanks for the follow, Pinoy Kung. YA22, you're British. I'm glad about that. Thank you very much. Nice to know that. Anyway, got a little treat for everybody. If we get 20,000 likes at the end of the show, I am going to sing the Piano Man and put everyone's name in it. And we need 50 shares as well. See the share button? There's a share button. Bang, bang, bang. 50 shares or 20,000 likes. All you got to do is tap the likes. You got to just tap the screen like that. Easy. If everyone does it right now, if you're lazy, you won't bother. It's too hard. Oh, I can't do it. I can't tap the screen with 2 fingers. I can't do it. If that's you, you're lazy, right? If you want to burn off some calories and lose a bit of weight, tap the screen with 2 fingers like that, and you'll get instantly fitter. You'll get a free song. You'll be really famous on TikTok. I'm just saying. Or you can go, oh, it's too hard. I can't do it. I I can't tap the screen for a minute with 2 fingers. I can't do it. It's up to you. You decide. All right. Let's go back down to here. Let's have a little look. I watched the great day trader Martyn Lucas. I've been watching Rio's patterns for 3 weeks. Oh, I see. That's how you knew about it. Well, how come you didn't tell me? Dexter Sickles says he's been watching the great day trader, Martyn Lucas, so he knew when to sell Rio Tinto, but didn't think of telling me, the great day trader, Martyn Lucas. He didn't tell me nothing, so I missed it, and now I've lost out. I've lost $200 because of you, Dexter. So what I'm expecting now, I think it's only right. If you've made $200 because of the great day trader, Martyn Lucas, and I quote you, you have said, I watched the great day trader, Martyn Lucas. You have said in public, in front of the whole world, that you have made $200 because of me. That's what he's saying. He's saying that. He's saying it. So I think the least you could do would be to donate 5 memberships, go into the super chat and buy 5 memberships. So not for me, but for my fellow traders. So 5 people will get memberships. Not me. Don't do it for me. Do it for the family. And do it for my cat, because my cat needs some cat food. And if you do that, I can buy some more tins of cat food for my little cat. I've got a little cat, and if you buy 5 memberships, not for me, for my cat, and for the day traders, everybody will love you. You will feel good about it. It'll make you feel good about yourself. You'll feel, well, I did make $200 because of watching this show. So if I spend like $10, I mean, it's tax deductible. I could put it against my tax. Everybody will love me. Martin's cat gets fed. I think I should do it. There you go. Oh, our number 1 fan just gave me a rose. Thank you, Bill. Number 1 fan just gave me a rose. How can I win a membership? You can win a membership very easy. You just come into YouTube. The link's in the profile right here. Come out of the all links in the Doom of Magic, the Magic of Doom button. The all links, the profile, basically. It's called the profile. Click on that. You'll find the all links button. You can come into YouTube. All right? The all links button will give my YouTube channel at the top. That's one way of doing it. Or you've got the YouTube link behind the Instagram icon. Easy. Ban him, ban him. Who ban who? Who am I going to ban? Dexter? Dexter out. Yes. Yes, I think we should. I've been watching. He's been watching me, getting tips from me, and then underselling from me. He's been like dropping the stock. He's brought the whole stock down. ARK Invest sold 50.4 million worth of Nvidia shares earlier today. ARK Invest. Does anyone believe what Cathy Wood ever says? No. I used to listen to it, and now I've gone, do you know what? You only say what's good for you. I'm done with you, Cathy Wood. Cathy Wood, if you're listening, you only ever say what's right for you. Because you're not content with the $10 trillion billion you have in the bank. You need a little bit more. And I've noticed that you only ever say what's good for you, not what's good for anyone else. So I don't like what you say anymore. Dexter has been talking to Arnold. He has. They've got a little conspiracy going on. We need to ban Dexter, slay him. Yeah, we're having a vote now. Yes. Dexter the Rio hater. Leah has bought too many coffees today. Right, we're ending the poll because no one has a clue what pop smoke is. But this is much more important. We've got a new poll. We've got a new poll. And by the way, if anyone buys one of my Martyn Lucas fleeces for Christmas, you can buy it in any colour, any size. It's in the chat. Any colour, any size. Right. We've got a new poll. It's a sad day. I can't believe it's come to this, but it has come to this. It has come to this. Ladies and gentlemen, we've never had it before. We've never had it before, but we're going to do it. It's come to this, folks. Doom and Gloom has now taken over the channel of the day trader of the year, Martyn Lucas. Shall we ban Dexter Sickles? Shall we ban Dexter? Yes or no? Yes or no, or yeah, or yeah. No, just yes or no. That'll do. That'll do. Yes or no. Right. There you go. Shall we ban Dexter? Yes or no? Right. Oh, hang on a minute. Bought a tumbler last night. Do you sign them? Peter Wilson bought a tumbler. Peter Wilson bought a tumbler. Hang on a minute. How long we got? We got 5 minutes. Hang on a minute. This is the, let me put it up. Let me put it up. I would have signed it. I would have put your name on it. If you tell me you want me to make you something, I can't sign it once it goes out. Because it doesn't go out from here, it goes out from your country. They're made all over the world to keep the prices down. But if you want something from my shop with your name on it for Christmas, right, you just tell me you want it and I make it for you. I make a whole line of products with your name on it. So it'll still have my logo and all that stuff, but it'll have your name on it. All right, it'll have your name on it. But you have to ask me, and I only charge $4 to do that. All right, but you have to let me know because I make it first. All right, so I can't sign it. They're not made here. Okay, but I am going to put this in. Hang on a minute. What is it? Who's it? Peter Wilson. All right, here we go. Be like Peter Wilson. Was it a tumbler you bought? Be like Peter Wilson. There you go. Be like Peter Wilson. Be part of the club. There you go. Peter Wilson bought this last night, apparently. And if he'd asked me first, I could have put his name on it. But I can't do it now. But if you want a T-shirt, the Day Trader logo with your name on it, or whatever you want me to say, you can say, ban Dexter. If you want a T-shirt saying we should all ban Dexter, or, whatever you want, I can make it for you. Right, 67% says we should ban him. Bloody hell. Church has passed out laughing. Bill, military slang to call air extract with a smoke grenade. I ain't got a clue what that's all about. Kathy Wood has lost a lot of money for her clients. She's made a ton of money for herself. Exactly. People need to just tell her the truth, right? Kathy Wood loves Kathy Wood. Bloody hell. You can see it. You can see it on YouTube. There's videos that keep replaying, pretending they're live. They're not live. Whenever I do a replay, I put on the screen, replay, this is not live. They play the same stuff over and over again. I've watched, I don't know how many times I've seen live Kathy Wood with Elon Musk and discussing about Bitcoin. That video has run 1,000 times. Oh, the glass tumbler. Well, that's a beer glass. You didn't say the beer glass, did you? You didn't say the beer glass. You should have meant the beer glass. Don't be like Peter Wilson. He didn't buy that one. He didn't buy that. He can't afford that one. That was too expensive. He didn't buy that one. He bought the beer glass. He bought the beer glass. Yeah, he can't afford that one. That's too expensive. He's gone for the cheaper option. Right, we'll try again. We'll try again. Be like Peter Wilson. If you want to be like Peter Wilson, I wouldn't recommend it. He's going for the cheap stuff. All right, there we go. You should have asked. You could have had your name on it. 3 minutes of ding ding. I know. Don't tell me. Right, let's get ready. There you go. That's the one he got. It looks like we're going to ban our friend today. Right, we're going to bring everybody up to date. We've got 1.5 minutes to go. Here's a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds from now. That was my longest ever break. That was about 8 seconds. Whoa, I nearly hit 10 seconds today. That was nearly chaos. So anyway, a lot of drama here on the Day Trader today. Have you come into YouTube yet? You just subscribed. Henrico, have I got a new subscriber today? Have you just subscribed? If you have, you get a special treat. treat at the end of the show. Who just subscribed? No, you didn't. I didn't see any subscribers. I'll check at the end if you subscribed. If you've come into YouTube, you can win memberships. We've got 4 memberships to give away at the moment. Right, here we go. It's a few seconds to go before the bell goes. We're getting ready. Bought a tumbler last night. No, don't sign them. Explain that already. Glass tumbler, see, he doesn't know what he's talking about. He's getting me confused. Peter Wilson. Whiskey glass. You want a whiskey glass now, dear? It's his show, Ali. I meant you on YouTube. 3 minutes, ding ding. I meant on YouTube. Oh, hello. Henrico Juba is here. Enrico is here. Is he come from TikTok? Right. Okay. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. The bell has gone. And where are we going to go? He bought the ink on the glass. There we go. Tesla. What's going to happen right now? Let's go through the stocks. This is the lightning round. Are you ready for the lightning round? It gets very, very exciting right now. We are now moving into the lightning round in the first few moments of the stocks. Okay, so we start off with Rio Tinto is down 3.34, but moving up. Dexter Sickles brought down the stock because we had the power on the day traders to influence the stocks. Vanguard S&P is down 0.06, down 0.06. Virgin Galactic is down 595, but coming 593. We're getting cheaper again. 593 now. This is going lower again. 593. Virgin Orbit is down 0.25 this morning. And we have Tesla is now down 0.56, down 0.56. Rivian is up 1.63, 2%. Rivian is flying today. Look, and we're up 2.17. Looking very, very nice indeed. Lucid is up 0.56. Looking very nice indeed. Lucid is now up 0.5. We now move to Polestar, down 0.05, pretty flat today. Arrival is down 0.42. Here we go. Amazon is down 0.61. Amazon is down 0.61. Apple is up 0.12. Who is going to win the day trader stakes today? Robinhood is completely flat. It popped up and straight back down again. McDonald's is down 0.02 as we head into the final furlong. Coca-Cola is down 0.12. Johnson & Johnson is flat right now, and Google is up 0.04 as we move to Microsoft, down 0.10, but moving up. Meta Platforms now is down, up, down, up, down, up. We can't make our mind up. Meta Platforms is down 0.3, and SoFi is up 6.89, making money this morning on SoFi Technologies. IonQ is up 0.16. We now move to PayPal, up 0.89 as we now move into the final part of the home straight now. Rolls-Royce is gone down to 1.9, down 1.92. 97, it's going down. It's going down. 97. 97. Rolls-Royce is going down. I've just bought myself 2,411 shares of Rolls-Royce. It's going down. 97 right now. We need to see what we can do there this morning. Down 1.36. Rolls-Royce. Is Rolls-Royce going bankrupt? Walmart up 0.21. We now have Target down 0.57. Tesco is down 2.3. Canoe is up 0.74 as we come to the final line now. On is up 0.21. Tilray Brands is on a wash right now. Ginkgo Bioworks over the line is 2.23. Ginkgo Bioworks, and we have Rivian today going to the lead, 3.2. Rivian Automotive is the winner today, our biggest riser on the morning. Rivian Automotive, that's the end of the lightning round. Whoa! And we need to take a break. Right, Rivian is up, just dropping back now. What a crazy run that was. All right, let's have a look at Rolls-Royce. We got a buy of Rolls-Royce, and it is now down 0.97, 97 cents a share. Let's have a look. It's all-time low. What is going on with Rolls-Royce? It's a stronghold right now. Let's have a look. We bought 1,600 shares of Rolls-Royce, but it's going down 97. We're down 4% now. 97. My average is 101. Average cost is 101. Twitch, Ali is going down, flanking on the right. And coming up strong is Ali. Ali is going down. Where's Dexter Sickles? We've not heard from Dexter. Where's he gone? Is Dexter Sickles still in the chat? Is he upset? Where's he gone? At Dexter. No, he's still here. He's still here. I was just checking if Dexter was still here. He's not paying any attention. He's like in the background, not doing anything. But I'm glad to see he's running. Okay, I just subscribed. Henrico came over from TikTok. Everybody please welcome Henrico in. He's not a member of the channel. He doesn't have a badge. He doesn't have any of the perks. Do you want to become a member, Henrico? Do you want to become a member? Do you want to be bronze, silver, gold, sponsorship, or investor level? What do you want to be? What do you want to be, Henrico? Do you want to be a member? Is anybody giving away memberships today? Is anybody giving away memberships today? Doesn't look like it. Everyone's miserable today, Henrico. You've come on a bad day. You might have to become a member all by yourself. Yeah, he does. Yes, he does. He want to be a member. Right. Now, sometimes there are free memberships in the chat. And that basically means that somebody has bought a membership. And the people that engage the most, like the video, start chatting. I think there's a couple of memberships still available. So if you start chatting and being engaged and you like the video, you might win one. But they might have all been claimed. I don't know. And if they've been claimed, you need to buy one yourself, basically. I mean, that's what it comes down to. If there's no free ones left, you've got to buy one yourself. How do I give a membership? I can't find it. How do you give a membership, Bill? You can't do it on your phone. You've got to be on a browser. Bill wants to give a membership. Can someone give a membership on behalf of Bill and then send Bill $2? Can someone do that? Bill wants to give a membership away, but he's on his phone. He hasn't got a computer. The money we bought him only bought him the money we sent to Bill only got him whatchamacallit, is a mobility scooter fixed. Unfortunately, he only got his mobility scooter fixed. It didn't get his he can't afford a computer. No, I can't. I lied. Ali Isles, I can do it on my phone. Ali Isles, you can do it on your phone if you use a browser. But for some reason, Bill finds that a little bit difficult. All right? If you go on your browser on your phone, you can do it. Do some of you know how to use a browser? Do you know what a browser is? Does anybody know what a browser is? All right? Safari, Google Chrome. Watch YouTube through that. Then you can do it on your phone. My God. It's like pulling teeth here, isn't it? Trying to help people here. Right, my portfolio is back up again. Browser who? You know who I'm talking about. Don't give me a hard time. Right, look at this. The portfolio is back up. $945 went to Zach, including shipping. I like that. I like how he states including shipping. Including shipping. Right, we need to do some research here because Rolls-Royce is extremely low. Can someone do some research for me? The portfolio is pumping up quickly now. We're up but 1/3% already. I bought Rolls-Royce this morning, 101. Does everybody think that Rolls-Royce is going bankrupt? It's what's above my eye, isn't it? It's what's above my eye. Peter Wilson, it's what's above my eye, isn't it? What the heck does that mean? What does that mean? Flipping out. It's what's... Oh, browser. Yes, I've got it. Okay, that was attempting to be a joke. Rubbish. If you tell jokes... members only can tell jokes in the chat, and you either get a cheer because it's a good joke, or you get this, and it's what's above my eye, isn't it? Yeah, Peter Wilson. I'm afraid we can't let that stand. We can't allow that. Rolls-Royce will never go bankrupt. The rich love... It's not Rolls-Royce cars, and the engines are world-renowned. Yeah, I believe that too. The British government are behind it as well. I don't know why it's dropped so much today, though. It's... look at that. It's been going down now for a week. I think it's a good time. I really do. But I am concerned it's gone down so low. I've got now 2,411 shares of Rolls-Royce. And Aldi sell Humpty Dumpty now. Chris Emery, they sold Aldi King's horses and King's men too. I love it. If only that were true. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Hang on a minute. Have we got any boys and girls watching? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. But I want to know though, I've always wondered this. When Humpty Dumpty fell off a wall and he broke into two pieces, why would you send all the king's horses? What is the use of the king's horses? If you've got Humpty Dumpty lying on the floor in pieces, how the hell is a horse going to help? It's got massive great hooves, right? Imagine trying to do medical surgery on Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty's lying on the floor, right? He's fallen off a wall, his head's bleeding, he's lying on the floor, right? He's in two pieces, right? Humpty Dumpty needs to be put together again. How can the king's horses help him? They've got big hooves. How are they going to do medical surgery with big hooves? Of all the people that you're going to send to a medical emergency, like all the king's horses and all the king's men, he's a giant egg. At the end of the day, he's just a giant egg. He's on the floor, he's in pieces, he's got minutes to live. Humpty Dumpty's got minutes to live. And what do? You don't send the SAS. You don't send the doctors and nurses from the National Health Service. You send all the king's horses. Why would you do that? What they're probably doing is trampling all over the egg. There's probably bits of egg all over the place. They can egg him on. They can egg him on. Okay, I'll give you that one. I'll give you that one, Chris Emery. I'll give you that one. All right. Yeah, I'll give you that one. Right, Rolls-Royce is popping back up again now. 97. I'm down 3%, $80. Let's have a quick look at it. See if I can make any money out of Rolls-Royce today. I don't know why that's so low. Anyway, we'll come back to that. My portfolio is up now, 0.56. Rio Tinto is down, not coming back up though at the moment, but I'm not buying any more. Vanguard S&P. Virgin Galactic is now up $6. Where is Dexter? Where is Dexter? It's a cracking joke. I totally agree. Has he banned himself? No, because I think he was here. If you put the @ sign and go Dexter, he's still in the chat. Look, he's still watching. If you got the @ sign and DE for Dexter, it comes up, which means he's still in the chat. He's still here. He's still here, but he's paying no attention. He's like banning himself from getting involved. Right, we're up to date. Looking good. Virgin Galactic is up. Thank you very much indeed. Mike, the coffee's arrived in one of my day trader mugs. And one of our friends here today. Oh, by the way, when you receive your amazing Peter Wilson beer mug, you've got to send a picture in with it. All right? Because if you send a picture in, I share it. CSX, please. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. He's giving us the cold shoulder. It should have said all the king's horses brought all the king's men to put that would make, yeah, but it didn't say that. It said all the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Well, they couldn't, could they? The horses couldn't do anything. If I'm totally honest, of all the people to send, you wouldn't send horses. Where is Dexter? No one knows. Good one. Aldi the King's Horses. Can I get a membership? Chris Emery. Yes, you can. Chris Emery wants a membership. Does my joke earn me a membership? No. But it does earn you the link that I am clicking with my finger, which uses a lot of energy. Remember how hard it is over on TikTok to tap the screen to give me a like? It's hard. People on TikTok find it very, very hard. All right? People find it very, very hard. So there is the invitation to join. Chris Emery, I tell you what, Chris Emery, take a leap of faith today. You're brand new here on the show. You don't know anything about this channel yet. Click on that link in the browser, on a computer or an iPad or a browser on your phone. Become a member, right? And I promise good things are going to happen. I promise. Do you believe me? Are you prepared to take a leap of faith and spend $2 to find out, to see if I'm telling you the truth? Let's see if he does it. He was humping on the wall, dirty old sod. Yeah, I want to know why Humpty Dumpty was sat on the wall in the first place. What was he doing up there on the wall anyway? Why is Humpty Dumpty always sitting on walls? Everybody wants to know that. Right, back to Rolls Royce a minute. PayPal is soaring. Rolls Royce is coming up, 97.7. It's just trending down though. Would someone tell me why Humpty Dumpty was sat on a wall? And why they would send the king's horses? What was he humping on the wall? I'm not getting involved. It's not that kind of show. It's not that kind of show, I'm afraid. It's not that kind of show. Right, Ethereum is up 1.95. Bitcoin is up 0.63. BSV is up 0.18. Trust him. It's been a whirlwind of happiness since I've been here. Yeah, see, a whirlwind of happiness. Chris Emery. Go on, go for it. I'm not reading that out. I can't read that out. Go on, Chris Emery, become a member, and trust me, I promise you, good things are going to happen. I'm going to give you so many things when you become a member, you're not going to believe it. The best value is silver membership, but if you want to be cheap and go for bronze, you can do that. But I promise you, if you do it, you're going to go, oh my God, I don't know why I didn't do it earlier. This is the best YouTube channel in the world. That's it. And you'll see why nearly every single person watching has a membership. You'll see why. You'll see why. All right, so there you go. I'll join, but need to wait for payday. What do you mean you need to wait for payday? You don't use cash. I'm not like you don't shove the money in the telly. If you're watching me on the you don't shove money. You use a credit card or a bank card, and you pay through YouTube. You don't pay me directly. You don't come round my house with $2 and go, there you go. There's 2 Queen sovereigns. There you go. You don't do that. All you do, bloody hell, this is hard, isn't it? All this for $2, and I got to pay commission to YouTube for about 30 cents. Don't do it, Chris. He has us all hypnotized. That's right. Peter Wilson did it. Peter Wilson came on. He not only. Well, you got to make some money on here, then, haven't you? Why aren't you following what we're doing here and making some money? My portfolio started at $5,000. My portfolio started at $5,000 and I just broke my computer. I don't know how it happened. How did that end up over there? Rio Tinto. I don't know how that ended up over there. Anyway, doesn't matter. My portfolio started out at $5,000. And then basically I sold the Church of Logic for Chris. The Church of Logic. Well, I can't make him a membership myself, can I? How can I? Church of Logic, you've got to pay more attention. Church of Logic, right? You've just lost $2 now. I can't refund it. I don't get it. I don't control what happens, right? You just, bloody hell, Chris, Church. What you need to do, Church, is you need to go into the super chat and you need to buy a membership. And then Chris might win it if he chats enough. Chris, he is not the only non-member here. Yeah, see, Enrico's a non-member as well. So what someone needs to do is not do what the Church of Logic doing. I lose more in the stock market. Yeah, you need to go into the super chat. Oh my gosh, it's so hard sometimes. I've got to find another job, right? This is what you do, right? You go into the live chat. Here's the live chat, look. See it? There's a live chat. You click there, look. See? Membership gifting. Buy membership for a viewer. You can click on it and you can go 1 membership, 2, look, 1 membership, $2.99. And then the person who's engaging the most, will win it. That's how it works. All right, that's how it works. So what I suggest you do, it does look like someone is about to donate a membership. So the non-members in the chat, you need to start saying stuff quickly, very, very quickly. You need to like keep doing comments. Make sure you thumbs up the video. If you've not liked the video, you've got no chance. If you liked the video and subscribed and rung the bell, you've done that. And are you commenting? Because a free membership might be coming your way. Over on TikTok, free membership. On YouTube, links in the profile. Enjoy the money, Martin. It's $2. I will enjoy it. Umpty was King Richard. Oh, hang on. Hang on a minute. Gary Smith's here. Gary Smith's just come in, who's also a member. And Gary Smith says Humpty was King Richard III, who had a humpback. The war was his reign. The fall was his loss in the Battle of Bosworth. And all the horses and men were in the army that failed. Well, can you believe it? Gary Smith, Umpty was King Richard III, who had a humpback. The war was his reign. The fall was his loss. Well, 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 look at that. Look at that. We now know what Humpty Flippin' Dumpty was up to. We know who Humpty Dumpty was. We know all about it. I think that's amazing. Gary Smith deserves a round of applause. I think for Gary Smith, for going away and doing a bit of research, actually taking some time to actually do a bit of work for the show, putting some effort into it, getting involved, we're going to give him the fireworks. Cheers, mate. Thank you very much indeed. We really appreciate it. There you go. That was especially for Gary Smith, who took the time to get involved. Love it. Just buy two. Yeah, well, someone needs to buy two, but, you know, you've got to make friends. What I suggest, Henrico, what I suggest you do is you've got Enrico and Chris. You need to start making friends. You need to make friends with people in the chat and see if you can entice someone to buy you a membership. Why they should buy you a membership, I have no idea. But, you know. And then we'll get to find out where you're from. Chris Emery, who's done well the day and wants to start my stock making experience? Well, is it your first time here, Chris? First time here? We could get serious a minute. Should we get serious for a minute and talk about real investing? Right. Virgin Galactic. This is great. Oh, yes, I'm back in the money. There we go. Virgin Galactic's going up again. Dexter is assisting his girlfriend. Why is he not here? He's assisting. Anna Garado is here. We got all these new people coming in. Who are all these new people? Who wants to be my friend? There we go. Who wants to... Sell margin. Oh my gosh. Okay. We've got a nice average now. I'm up now. Things are starting to recover. But if you listen to all the big YouTubers, the world's about to come to an end. We're all going to lose all our money. China's going to go bankrupt, and America is going to go bankrupt as well. Yep, that's what's going to happen any minute now. So get ready for it. And it's supposed to happen tomorrow, according to Graham Stepan. He gave 5 days. 5 days, China would collapse, the whole world would come to an end, and America would crash as well. So tomorrow, when that doesn't happen, I wonder if he puts out a sorry video. I doubt it, because he'll do another one. Well, the week after it's going to fall down. It's going to fall down. Anyway, let's have a look. My portfolio is up today, $536. I'm at 1.34%. I am happy. Dexter is still not here. Yeah, he's assisting. Don't know what he's assisting, but he's assisting something. Anyway, Virgin Galactic. I am now on a wash. My average is 610. Let's go back to Rolls Royce. Can we make some money out of Rolls Royce? It's down now 97 cents. 97 cents now. Henrico. So which country is going to be the first world country? Africa. Africa actually is one of the fastest growing economies now. Yes. We ran him out. There we go. There you go. Anyway. Rolls-Royce is still down. I'm down 3.5%, $85. Ryan Carlson, I hardly watch Graham anymore. Wolf of Dubai is not active. No, Wolf of Dubai doesn't really do his stocks anymore. He's doing a training course, which I never understand. I never understand that. YouTubers get an audience and then they decide to sell training programs. Now, everyone mark this video and take it back in history in 10 years from now or 1 year from now, right? And hold me to it. I will never, when my audience gets 10,000, 20,000, 100,000, I will never do a training course. I will never sell you anything unless you want to buy one of my mugs. But the shows will always be free to watch. Members get perks and benefits, but there's no constant selling my training program. All right? We're not interested in that. We're interested in going live. And the other thing as well is I made a decision when I started this channel. You make a lot more money and grow a lot faster if you make videos. Live is not important. Live, you do a little bit, but I've done the opposite. I'm going live all the time and make a few videos because for me, it's about building a community. And that's why we had the highest engagement rate of nearly all channels on YouTube. More people who watch my show percentage-wise are members and who watch every single day, 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours at night, than other channels. All the big channels, they don't have engagement rate like that. They make a lot more money than I do, but I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in growing my portfolio, making money on my portfolio, and sharing the experience for real and supporting people. Now, for those of you that are new and you've not yet become a member, right? There's a reason for that. I built a membership program which benefits you. It doesn't benefit me. It benefits you. I get a tiny piece of it, right? You get the lion's share of it all. In this studio behind me, I hope you'll agree, I've tried to build the best live streaming YouTube channel on YouTube, right? All this comes to life if you request a song. All these lights start moving, smoke comes down. We do live music in the show from time to time. And in my music channel, my other channel, I've raised over $1 million for my charities and fundraisers in this studio. And if you are a silver member, you get all that money. I don't charge for fundraising. I don't take a commission for fundraising at all. I do a 20-minute concert. We put your links on the screen for your favorite charity, and people donate for songs. They make requests for songs. We also get sponsors because they get a lot of publicity on my channel. So sponsors will probably donate $100, $500 to the charity to have their name mentioned, and your favorite charity will get all the money. All I do is provide the concert and the music. And for those of you who don't know, I'm the World Piano Man, in case you haven't checked out my other channel. And if you haven't, here it is, and I'll open it up for you just so you can subscribe to my other channel and have a little look. But there it is. And if you become a silver member, and many of my members here are, you can have either a 20-minute concert for yourself. Maybe you want a birthday party or an anniversary or a wedding or whatever you want for free, or you donate it to charity. So here is my music channel. If you want to go and check it out, you can go and see it after the show, my music. There you go. And I do 14 voices, 7 different languages, and 650 songs. Dexter Sickles will be back. We've been talking about you. Where you been? Where have you been, Dexter Sickles? We've been wondering where you were. They've been saying very rude things about you while you've been gone. We haven't banned you yet. It's 52% say yes, so it's right on the line. What has Dexter done? Do check. Dexter was very, very naughty. I don't think we could even discuss it live on air. It's not even, we can't even discuss it. Duchak's here in the house. Shall we hear from some of our members? If you, oh, by the way, now you are here, a lot of you have come over from TikTok. Let me give you the invitation for Discord. And here is Discord. Now, if you become a YouTube member, I will upgrade your account on Discord so you can speak to all our traders. You can get 24-hour information. You can call into the show, and you can be just like these people. Here's Uzumaki.
Hello to the family and the future family members. Uzumaki here. I just wanted to say The Day Trader is one of the most honest, 100% open YouTubers around. Martyn's an honest guy and helps us through all the market ups and downs. Don't be shy, say hello, and join the family.
There we go. There's Uzi Maki, and we got celebrities who called into the show as well. What about when we had our big crypto expert? He's been on CNN, he's been on Fox, been all the major news networks. He endorses my show as well. You can call in just like this if you become a member of our channel.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
There we go. And we've got Sam here as well, Elton John.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes.
No.
I pretend to be Sir Elton John for a living. Now, if you want music, if you want the stocks, anything like that, this is the place to
I've had
be.
enough. Get rid of
Follow
him.
this.
Get rid of him.
Okay, I was sleeping one
There's
day
Bill.
back on August 18th, and I woke
There's
up
Bill.
to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays.
Yeah.
My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday, and he obliged and made a 34-minute video of that birthday party. It was so good, I haven't left the place. I've been here ever since.
He's been here ever since. There we go. Virgin Galactic now. Look at this. I've got 1,400 shares at 610. Look at Virgin Galactic pump today. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Now then, I want to be in the family, but I have 3 pence in the bank till tomorrow. Well, we got to make you some money here. Look, buy Virgin Galactic. Look at it, look. LOL, he cuts his friends to see he cut his friends to see Virgin pump. Iron Condor, what is that all about? He cut his friends to see Virgin pump. Right, Iron Condor, that is absolutely incorrect. All right, don't ban that. Nobody ban that comment, please. Don't ban that comment. I know my my moderators will want to ban that comment, but please do not do that. Because I want Iron Condor to be able to say what he wants. Iron Condor, that is not true. I was listening to your testimony videos. Yes, I have been saying that Virgin Galactic will go to $100. Yes, I still believe it will. I haven't pumped it and dumped it. There are YouTubers who pump a stock. They'll tell you it's going to go up to $1 million, and then they will sell it. Have I sold it, Iron Condor? Do I still have my shares? Yes, 1,411. What I have been doing is trading it to get a lower and lower price. My average is now 610, and my average was 672. I am always telling the truth. I am never cutting my friends, to use your phrase. That is absolutely not true at all. There are people on YouTube who do lie, who do promote a stock to dump it. But I do not do that. Iron Condor has come back and said, I wasn't saying you were pumping a stock. I was just talking about the testimony videos. I wanted to hear all of it. The testimony videos? What do you mean? The testimony videos. Oh, hang on. I've completely misunderstood what he said. Iron Condor, I apologize. I thought you were saying I cut my friends. That is a communication mistake. I apologize. I thought you were saying I cut my friends. People use that phrase sometimes to suggest that I pump a stock, so I have to directly apologize publicly to Iron Condor. I apologize. That's not what you were saying. I thought you were suggesting that I was pumping the stock, dumping it up the top, and leaving everybody that follows my show holding the bag. I apologize, but it's worth mentioning though, because I never do that, and many other YouTubers do that. I do not do that. My priority is my family and the community. Making money to me is secondary, so I apologize. What he was saying was I cut the testimonials. I must admit, the studio is second to none. Great production, Chris. You've not seen the music yet. When all the lights start moving and the smoke comes up, you'll see all this come to life. We have to get a $10 super chat. Space is going bonkers. Yep, I'm up now $53. I've got an average of 610. So he wanted to see I'm missing testimony. I wasn't saying that. No, how long do you keep the stock? He means yes, 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 yes. So, let me just, for Iron Condor, let me just do that. Very, very important. Iron Condor, is he still here? I want to make sure he's still here. At Iron, yes, he's still here. Yes, he's still here. So, especially as apology to Iron Condor, let me play this through. And I apologize. Here we go.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday, and he obliged and made a 34-minute video of that birthday party. It was so good, I haven't left the place. I've been here ever since as the place to be. If you want to have fun, make money, enjoy yourself, join the Martyn Lucas Daytime Trader Show. And he sings a song for you. He'll do your birthdays and have a good time with everybody. New members are needed and wanted, and away we go. We have fun. We support each other.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes, and I pretend to be Sir Elton John for a living. Now, if you want music, if you want the stocks, anything like that, this is the place to be. Follow this man. He's beautiful. He is the Rocket Man. I thought I was. His name is Martyn Lucas. Follow him. He is the day trader.
There you go. There is our testimony just come through there. That was especially for Iron Condor who wanted to hear those. Brilliant stuff.
You should definitely join the day trader. Join us. Join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together. And Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
Right. Now, I've noticed that over on Discord, a number of you have joined this morning. Now, you cannot see all the public channels and you can't call in. If this is you, and I ask in YouTube because people come onto Discord and pretend to be you to gain your perks and benefits. If this is anybody here in YouTube, you can say, yes, this is me, and I can upgrade your account if you are a member. And if you are a member, you can then call in and scroll to the bottom, and the broadcast lounge is now open. There it is in broadcast down the bottom here. You can call in and you can be in the show. You can call in on video or just by calling on by a phone call through the broadcast on Discord. Okay? So we need to know if this is you. Okay. Let's go back to Iron Condor. I do like it when you sing. You did Over the Rainbow the other day when I was watching, and it was really well done. The fact you sing for Bill's family was really nice. It's my pleasure. That's how we've raised over $1 million doing fundraiser events, and all silver members get that perk and benefit. If you become a silver member, you get that. Shalipa is me, but as you know, I'm not a member. Okay. Shalipi is you. So I'm going to change that to Henrico Jubert. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is change that, give you a nickname. I can't make you a member, so you can't see all the channels, but I can give you a nickname. Right? And I'm going to call you Henrico, so we know who you are in the chat. Jobert. That's how I know who you are in our server. There you go. And if you become a member, where 6 months of war in Ukraine leaves the market, where 6 months of war in Ukraine, indeed it is 6 months today, 6 months into the conflict, uncertainty still dominates. The war continues to stoke global inflation, piling pressure on policymakers to hike borrowing costs, and global businesses have gone to grapple. The thing is, though, I think that we are at a tipping point when we could find out the war is coming to an end. Vladimir Putin's getting ill. There could be some kind of declaration of victory, even if it's not, just to keep face, and that could well happen. Anyway, Rolls-Royce is still falling. I'm down 3.67 at the moment. I'm getting out of the bath, enjoying the live, so going to stream you on my TV. Brilliant. All right. Well, Iron Condor has just said he liked my Over the Rainbow. If somebody gives me a $10 super chat, and it has to be $10 to cover the copyright that I will lose my ad revenue on this video, I will do Over the Rainbow in the show right now. or rather than a $10 super chat, excuse me, if somebody does 5 memberships, which is about the same as $10, I will do Somewhere Over the Rainbow, and 5 people will benefit from memberships. So 5 people in the chat will benefit from memberships if someone donates 5 memberships, and I will do Over the Rainbow, especially for Ion Condor. 5 people will get memberships rather than just giving me $10. How about that? That's a good deal. Let's see if someone does that. Yes, if the war did end, I don't know what to believe anymore. Stocks of European companies which are more directly exposed to the war and the energy crisis it sparked are nearly 5% lower. They face a much grimmer outlook. I agree with that. I don't want to believe anymore. I know. Everyone, this is a problem. There's so much uncertainty, but you know what? We've been through wars before, and people always do well. Long term, just hold your positions, buy when it's down overall. And people want everything today. Unfortunately, we all live so fast. We all expect the market to go up in 5 minutes. This is why crypto exploded. Everybody wanted to be rich in 5 minutes for doing absolutely nothing. And that's the trouble. That's the reality. Everybody wants to be rich in 5 minutes. All right. The war, if the war were to end, Coombs said shares of European firms like Germany Siemens could experience a huge rally, but he expressed little optimism on that front. It will eventually, but the thing is though, it has to end next. When it's raining, what comes next? The sun. If you're at war, what comes next? Peace. It has to. At some point, the war will end. That's a fact. War. We won't be at war forever. It can't be just war and then war comes next and then war comes next. No, it doesn't. Eventually, the war will be over. So you should be in the market. I don't understand people telling me, don't be in the markets. You need to be sat in cash. What? And then wait for the market to explode and then jump in? How does that make any sense? Get in the market. Stay in the market. And the only reason that the markets are down is because everybody's fearful. No one trusts anyone, and everyone's selling out except me. I'm buying and I'm staying and I'm doubling down and doubling down. I'm in. I'm not going anywhere. And great companies, the S&P isn't going anywhere. Virgin Galactic isn't going anywhere. Tesla isn't going anywhere. All these great companies that I have the majority of, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, all these companies aren't going. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson. If they all go to zero, the whole world's finished and we're all dead anyway. So why invest in that? Why invest in that? Why sit on a pile of cash that is devaluing all the time with inflation, doing absolutely nothing, hoping that the war's going to end at some point and then jump in? Be in the markets. Stay in the markets. That's my philosophy. Anyway, war is very expensive. I can't imagine Russia continuing it. I agree, Iron Condor. I think we're going to come to an end quicker than you can imagine. Come on, guys. I know you want to buy the memberships. Somebody in here, they either do a $10 super chat, or it's better if you do 5 memberships. 5 people will benefit, and then I'll do Over the Rainbow, especially for the Ion Condor. The Church of Logic, there is no end in sight. There is no obvious coming together of 2 countries. I agree with that, but financially it has to come to an end. It's a stalemate. There's nothing happening anymore. I believe it'll come to an end quicker than you can imagine. At the moment, you're kind of factoring in the war continues right through to 2023. It may do. Who knows? No one knows. Loads of jets are practicing above my house at the moment. They haven't done that for quite a while. Something's going on. Duchak, whereabouts in the world are you? Is it Ireland, isn't it? Is it Island? Duchak? I can't remember now. Nice bike, by the way. Got you live on 50-inch now. Looking great. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I'm on 50-inch. I'm on 50-inch now. I'm on a 50-inch telly. All right. How big can I make myself? 50 inches. All right. Who is it? Whose house am I in right now? Right. Chris Emery. Chris Emery and all the family at the Emery house. Hello. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I am now the biggest thing in your house. Right now, I am bigger than your dog, your cat, and your sofa. Come close to the TV. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the world of the day trader. Oh my gosh. That's it. That's to put the kids away from the telly. The euro has hit a 2-decade low this week on fears that energy strapped Europe could fall into tough recession. But I tell you what, good will come from it. You know what will come from it? What will come from it is everybody will start buying into solar and wind, which is what I'm invested in. You agreed with Paul B last night, though. The euro could fall into a tough recession. What part did I agree with Paul B on? I'm buying more, not avoiding it. There you go. I'm buying more. Bruce Mully is buying more. Good for Bruce Mully. Got you live now. Looking great. Nottingham. Looking great, my friend. Chris, looking great. Looking great. Oh, my God. Right. Do you know what you need, Chris? Someone needs to request a song, because if I'm on your 50-inch telly, you want all the lights, the smoke, the haze, Over the Rainbow. That's what you want. If someone does a $10 super chat, we're going to have Over the Rainbow. Or someone donates 5 memberships. Exactly the same. And I will do it. Oh, wow. Go big again. Just put you on a 1080p. Chris Emery. You can actually do it on 4K. I actually stream in 4K, I believe. All right. Anyway, go and check that out. Lancaster bombers were flying over my house recently. They're heading to Russia based on Duchak's... Hang on a minute. Let me just get this right. SMIXOV. Right, Lancaster bombers will not take part in any European war. Lancaster bombers are not heading to Russia. Lancaster bombers are the World War II. They may have been doing, this is how news can get out of hand. They may have been doing a fly past with the red arrows for the Queen's Jubilee or something like that. There's no Lancaster bombers getting involved in a Russian war. I can guarantee that. That isn't happening. Because oh my gosh, they could shoot them down in 5 seconds. They could shoot them down in the dark, all right? Duchak says there's no 4K. Well, there should be. Give us a choice of 3. All right, I'll give you a choice of 3. We Are the Champions, Piano Man, or Over the Rainbow. But I have to have $10 super chat or 5 memberships. I said 5 memberships donation is better because then everybody benefits, not me. Oh, wow, go big again. Just put you on 1080p. No 4K. I don't know why not. Anyway, Virgin Galactic is still rising. I'm at nearly 41,000 now. Let me go back to my Rolls Royce a minute. Down 3.5%. Down $87 at the moment. I thought we'd stop this drop. SoFi is up 10%. For those of you who don't know, SoFi is one of my top tips. And I bought the dips, I doubled up, and that is up 10% now. There you go, SoFi. I've been buying the dips all day long. Is Rolls-Royce coming up with something that you invested in? Is Rolls-Royce coming up with something that you invested in? I'm not sure what you mean, Iron Condor. I just believe in Rolls-Royce. Simple. I don't think it can be allowed to fail. I am interested in why it's going down, but I bought it again this morning. I don't like it's going down, though. Oh, it's got to be Piano Man. Come on, people. Doing well today. We need memberships. I'll give 2 tomorrow. There you go. Chris Emery says he'll give 2 tomorrow. I can't do it. I can't gift it. It's not even possible. I would if I could, but I can't. Anyway. Hang on a minute. It's 20 past 9. 20 past 9. I've just realised we're running out of time. I've got to be gone in 11 minutes. So we need day trader of the day and a quick commercial break. If you want a song, you've got 5 minutes maximum to do it. You've got to do it in the next couple of minutes. Quick commercial break. I'm back in 10 seconds. Here we go. Whoops, wrong one. Meant that one. Press that button there. There we go. All right, I'm back. There we go. Okay, if you want a song, you've only got a couple of minutes. I've got to go. I've got to be out of here in 10 minutes' time. Day trader of the day. So everybody please go to your portfolio. And we're doing very, very well now. We're up nearly 2%. We're pumping right now. The bear market just took a break. That's all that happened. The bear market took a break. Virgin Galactic is up. Go to your main portfolio. Here we go. I am up 1.9. When the first person posts their score, I will give you a 1 minute on the clock. You ready? Okay, here we go. Up 1.95%. There we go. Nearly 41,000 now. I really don't know why people gamble in AMC, nor do I. Well, we know why. We know why people gamble. It's because people are lazy. A lot of people are lazy and they want to get rich in 5 minutes. And we now have a culture which tells you you can get rich in 5 minutes. And now and again it happens. But we never report on all the millions of people who hold the bag. There was a big news story the other day. Do you remember it? When some young teenager made like $25 million profit or something like that. Do you remember that? What the story doesn't say is there are millions of people who bought at the top who now hold the bag. So what we had 1 million people all with a couple of bucks in the bank. And now we have all those million people, they've lost all their money and one guy has all the money. That's all that's happened. It's a transference of money. And that's the world we live in. Everybody thinks they can get rich in 5 minutes. One person does, but we forget to report on all the poor people who bought the bag at the top because they were all gullible, thinking it runs forever, and they all lost their money. Anyway, that's what happens. Here's a 1 minute clock. I've got to get out of here in 8 minutes. Okay, here we go. 1.95. Bill is up 3.86. Bill goes straight into the lead on 3.86. Mike is up 1.7. Peter Wilson, the man with the beer mug, doesn't know whether it's a beer mug or a jug or whatever it is. Peter Wilson, he's a legend. Iron Condor, Mr. I am sorry. I said sorry to him today. Oops, made a big mistake. Iron Condor is up 1.98. Up 4.95. Ryan Carlson goes into the lead, up 4.95. Dexter Sickled should have been banned on the show today. I'm surprised he's still here. Let's end the clock. He's up 3.2, but it pales into insignificance from our friend here, Ryan Carlson, one of our members to the channel, and he is up 4.95. Thank you very much indeed. So let's all congratulate Ryan Carlson. I've got 7 minutes to go. If you want a song, you've got 1 minute to do a $10 super chat or a 5 memberships to donate to everybody else. Here we go. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up and everyone congratulate Ryan Carlson. There we go. Very nice indeed. Congratulations. Give back. I'm here for good, and I will give on payday tomorrow. There we go. I can't do it, Chris Emery. I trust you. I trust everyone. I trust everyone until they lie to me. I trust everyone. If anyone comes up to me and says, "Do you trust me?" I say, "Yeah." I trust everyone until they lie to me, and then I don't trust them anymore. That's the way I work. So I trust you, mate. But unfortunately, I can't donate to myself. It doesn't work that way. I was away with a customer and didn't know about the banning thing until I got back. Yes. Yes. Anyway, I'm going to end the poll now. We've got to get out of here. You've got 1 minute left to go if you want to get a song in before we finish. Otherwise, I've got to wrap up today's show. Let's have a quick rundown through the stocks. Here we go. The Vanguard S&P is up 0.22. Virgin Galactic is now 610. I'm on a wash right now, but I've got much lower averages. I'm not losing money anymore. Very, very good indeed. Virgin Orbit is up 395. Tesla is up 2.11, heading back up to $1,000. I know it's going to go there, just the timing might not be exactly as I predicted. Rivian, 33. My day trader family saved me. Only just, mate. I wouldn't get carried away. Most people, you know, quite a few people want me to ban you. So don't get too excited, right? Quite a few people want me to ban you. Lucid is up. Polestar is up 1.44. Arrival is up 0.83. And Amazon is up 0.12. Sorry, yeah, 0.17. Apple is coming back up again now. We're at 40,700. Robinhood is up 2.51. McDonald's is flat right now. Coca-Cola up 0.12. Johnson & Johnson is down a little bit today. Not worth, 160. Oh, hang on a minute. Down 2%. Down 2%, Johnson & Johnson. That's a low. That's a low for me. Right, hang on. Rolls-Royce, I'm down $93. I'm thinking of selling my Rolls Royce and buying Johnson & Johnson because this company, far better to own long term, to park your money safe. 158, it's approaching all-time lows. It'll always come back. That's the lowest I've had it, 165, 169. I've got like 2 minutes to make my mind up. Looks like I'm coming back tomorrow to see if there's anyone willing to sponsor me a membership. Yes, you better come out tomorrow. Henrika, if you're here tomorrow, I'll sort out memberships. I'll be here. Thanks, man. Oh, I'm here this afternoon, folks. I'm here this afternoon. I'm here for the closing bell this afternoon. So don't miss that. If you look on the homepage of my YouTube channel, upcoming live streams, like a TV guide. This is the closing bell this afternoon. Let me put it in the chat for everybody. Be the first person to like it. Be the first person to leave a comment. Be the first person to go in the chat. There you go. There is the this afternoon show. Oh, by the way, could everyone, before I go, could everyone do me a massive favour? Could everyone do me a massive favour, folks? I put a video out last night and I hope it could be viral. Could everyone do me a massive favour? As we end the show now, could everybody click on this video? Would everybody mind doing it? Please, please, please. Just take 10 minutes of your time to watch this video all the way through. You could really help me big time. I put this video out last night. It's a 10-minute video. Let me give everyone the link right now. Here we go. Can everybody please do me a massive favour? It'd help me enormously if everybody would click on this video, even if you've already watched it, go and watch it again all the way through. I need 100% watch time on it. Please do that. Because some of the bigger YouTubers are trying to bring it down because I'm going against negativity. I want positivity in the market. There is a link. If you could please watch it all the way through and leave a comment below the video and give it a thumbs up, it would really help me massively. So I've got to go right now. So there's the video in the chat. If you wouldn't mind, there's the video in the chat. Click on it, watch it all the way through and leave a comment. It would really, really help me. All right? I'd really appreciate it big time. And I'm trying to put positive energy out there rather than all this doom and gloom and the world's all coming to an end. And you could all help me by just going to watch that video and leaving a comment below. All right? I'll check back who did it later on, and there might be a little surprise for those that did it. All right? All right? Yes, in fact, there will be a surprise for those that did it. There will be a surprise for those that did it. If you left a comment, there will be a surprise for those that did it. Right, I've got 1 minute to go. Someone's got to say, roll the credits. Roll the credits. So someone needs to say, roll the credits. and then I'll be out of here. You ready? Here we go. I've got literally 1 minute to go, and I'm gone. I'll see you back this afternoon. I'm waiting for someone to say roll the credits. I don't think anyone... That's it, roll the credits. Right, I've got to go. I can't be hanging around. Make sure you all go and watch that video. Please, please, please. And leave a comment. I'd really appreciate it. All right, here we go. Roll the credits. I'm out of here. I got 30 seconds and I'm gone. All right, here we go. Stars of the show, Mike beat the Restream bot. He slayed it. Mr. Bot. Super Chats was donated by the Church of Logic. We got some more subscribers. Demi Moose and Jacques Ferret. There we go. We got a couple of subscribers. That's it. A very short credit roll this morning. We didn't get any super chat. We didn't get any memberships. Nothing like that. So, you know, it's a bit quiet today. But whatever. That'll do for me. I'll see you back this afternoon. Make sure you all go and watch that video I just posted. All right, if you're not sure where it is, just look on the homepage of my YouTube channel, the uploads of the World's Coming to End video. Please watch it, 10 minutes, leave a comment, and there'll be a surprise for those that do. I'm out of here. Take care of yourselves and each other.